All right, guys. Good evening, everybody. Okay, this is Phase FX here with you, and I'll be sharing a very good strategy to you. I'll be sharing this very channel. I'll be sharing a lot of strategies that will be helping us in the financial market. You get. So I will just like what I want you to just do is to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because after this very strategy, I'm dropping a very powerful strategy, another powerful strategy that will make you that will give you money in the market. And these are phone indicators, and these are phone strategies that are very nice. You understand? um Everybody knows that I'm actually a smart money trader, but then I'll be dropping. You should know that any strategy I drop is what is a very powerful one. Is a very powerful one. I'm not a fan of indicators. I'm not a fan of all these indicators, but then anyone I drop is very powerful. It's very powerful, and you should know that you will make money out of it. You will make money out of it. So the indicators I drop is even for smart money trader or any type of trader, like even newbies. You can make use of it to make money. You can make use of it in forex. You can make use of it to trade the synthetic indices market. So all you just have to do is to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be dropping powerful strategies. Just after dropping this one, I'm gonna drop another one, and you just have to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop it. So now let's dive into the strategy. I'll be very fast. So the first, you should add the RSI indicator period 14, and take note of the levels that you're seeing here: 75, 80, 50, 25, 20. You click on OK. Done. Our RSI is already here. This is how it will be. And then the next indicator you're gonna be adding, you click on the indicator window, you add the Bollinger Bands. You can see my period is 100, shift is 0, deviation is 1.5, close, apply to close, levels, you can see them, and then click on done. Here is the indicator. So how you apply this indicator is very simple. Very simple. Very simple and beginner friendly. As you can see already, this was where you should wait for what the RSI to come down to the, if you're looking for a buy scenario, you want to buy the market, want to get confirmation for buys, or want to buy the market, you should wait for RSI indicator to get to the oversold region, and then it should be touching the Bollinger Band, or it should be outside the Bollinger Band, and all are meeting at what, between 25 and 20. Then you should enter your trade. Immediately you see any reversal sign like this, as we saw a doji sign here. This is 1 hour time frame. You can use it on any time frame aside the 1 minute. So you can see the doji sign. Immediately you saw it, this trade reversed. So that is where you pick your trade and place your stop loss below here, and you can ride the trade till maybe probably this 50%, because it's a resistance. This 50% is a resistance. As you can see, once price hit the 50% and is at the middle of the Bollinger Band, it started reversing a bit. So before it now spiked up again, this is it. This is that place here in the 30 minutes. As you can see, it's at what, the oversold region. It hit it and came out of the Bollinger Band at below the Bollinger Band, then it started heading up. So this is a very good indication. This 50% just served as what, as a resistance. It pulled it back a bit, and then it retraced a bit, gave the trade some breathing space, and then continued up again. So this is how it is. Let's check Euro USD. As some people that know me, you know I just trade the Euro USD and GBP USD. Here is an example on Euro USD. This works on all forex pairs and synthetic indices. So as you can see, it crossed the Bollinger Band down, and then it's at the oversold region. it's at the oversold region. Then from here it started moving up. Immediately it came out of this 25. What you should be checking out for is if it's coming out of 20 and 25, if it's already heading up. And also you should look for what reversal candlesticks. So once you enter it, and then you can then trade it up. That is just it. That is how you just rule with this strategy. Strategy is very, very unique. As you can see here, here is it. This is when you are looking for sell scenarios. You can see here it's at the what overbought region, and then it crossed the Bollinger Band and headed down. This is what you see. You saw what? You saw price continued rolling down from here down. Immediately it was approaching the 50%, which is having as a resistance or support. It still retraced back a bit and then continued down. That's how you see it, guys. This strategy works very well. It works for synthetic indices. It works for what? It works for synthetic indices. It works for forex too. Let's go over to synthetic indices. Let's say volatility 75. Volatility 75. This is it. Here at the volatility 75, you can see once it hit the Bollinger Band. Now, do you know why this trade is still falling? It's because it have not reached here. It's because it have not reached this lower place. Once it reaches this lower place, this 25 and 20, then you should be looking out for what? For buys. Should be looking out for buys. Should be looking out for, okay, here is a sell scenario. This is why this market sold very well. This indicator, this RSI crossed the 75 and 80, which is the overbought region, and it's above the Bollinger Band. As you can see, once it crossed back and we saw a reversal candlestick at volatility 75, it started going down. So you can just back test this on other pairs. You find out that it's working 100%. So this just, I want to drop it. I will be dropping a very powerful one, a very much powerful one on our next time. All you just have to do is just turn on your notification bell, subscribe to this channel. I'm just starting. This is my first video, but trust me, I'll be releasing a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff to give to you guys. So just subscribe and turn on your notification bell and wait for the post.